But to be honest, what I'm really proud of is our center of the stage, of the booth, because we, in the first time, I guess, really generated a center where we have a lot of technology for automation solution running in place with 3 machines. This was really, we are really proud of it that we bring that here to life.
Chris, congratulations. I mean, this all down to your hard work. I know you've got a big team behind you, but tell us about the idea and the concept of this DMG MORI World here at EMO 2025.
Yeah, let's say the DMG MORI at EMO show is always a huge challenge because it's a huge expectation from everybody, from our own people, but also from the, let's say, the clients who are coming here, because we, since 2011, I guess, we have this complete hall, and I would say, if you come to EMO, you come to DMG MORI, you expect something huge. And this expectation raises and raises, and to fulfill this was the biggest challenge.
Well, it was DMG MORI City 2 years ago, 23.
Correct.
DMG MORI World 2025. What's 27 going to be, or 29? Where do you go next?
Yeah, this is a question which you hopefully have time to answer sometimes after EMO. Let's say we bring this kind of concept, the DMG MORI World, now to our showrooms. So we are going to build this as a heart, also in Munich, in our new European headquarters. We bring the DMG MORI World there, and yeah, let's say we have a lot of different kind of puzzles. Every kind of factory, every sales and service organization is one piece of the DMG MORI World, of course, and then we kind of combine it and centralize it in the European headquarters, but also in Tokyo in the GHQ.
What does the future of manufacturing mean to you? What was behind that message?
I would say the biggest meaning behind this message is that we don't say, this is our product, and customer, do what you want with that. We want to combine different kind of solutions. Of course, our digital solutions, we want to put our automation solutions in place. The topics of sustainability always important in order to save energy. And then this comes all with the integrated processes. So really make sure that the customer is consulted from us in the best possible way, and not just here's the product, do whatever you want, but we are staying with this customer through the complete process and giving the best possible solution.
What's your favorite bit of the stand?
Sorry?
What's your favorite bit of the stand?
So you mean the favorite place?
Yeah.
I would say, in my view, we launched DMG MORI Lifestyle just.
I saw that. Yeah. That's incredible.
Just 8 months ago in the open house fountain. So this is one of my favorite places because it's just like the first time that we do that. But to be honest, what I'm really proud of is our center of the stage, of the booth, because we, in the first time, I guess, really generated a center where we have a lot of technology for automation solution running in place with 3 machines. This was really, we are really proud of it that we bring that here to life.
Well, Christopher, well done. Fantastic. You've done a really good job, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.